Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to mute and unmute Facebook Messenger group chats. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Facebook Messenger app and navigate to the group chat you want to mute. Simply tap on the conversation to open it. This will bring up the full chat interface where you can view all the messages and access additional settings. Once you're inside the group chat, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice an information icon there, typically represented by a small circle with an eye inside it or 3 vertical dots depending on your device. Go ahead and tap on this icon. This will open up the group chat settings menu where you can manage various options for this particular conversation. After tapping the information icon, you'll see several sections with different options. Look for the section labeled Actions. This is where you'll find various controls for managing how you interact with this group chat. The Actions section contains important features that let you customize your experience with this specific conversation. Within the Actions section, you'll see an option that says Mute. Tap on it to proceed. This feature is incredibly useful when you're part of active group chats but need some quiet time without leaving the conversation entirely. It allows you to stay in the group while controlling when and how you receive notifications. Once you tap mute, a new window will appear giving you specific muting options. Here you can choose between mute message notifications, mute call notifications, or mute message and call notifications. Select the option that best fits your needs. For example, if you only want to silence text messages but still receive calls, choose the first option. If you want complete silence from this group, select the third option to mute both messages and calls. After making your selection, tap OK to confirm. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a duration for how long you want the chat to remain muted. You'll see several time options, including 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until I change it. The first 4 options are great if you just need a temporary break, like during a meeting or while you're sleeping. However, if you want the chat to stay muted indefinitely until you manually turn notifications back on, select Until I Change It. Once you've chosen your preferred duration, tap OK to apply the settings. Your group chat is now muted and you won't receive notifications according to your selected preferences. Now, when you want to unmute the group chat and start receiving notifications again, the process is even simpler. Go back to the same information icon in the upper right corner and navigate to the Actions section. You'll notice that the mute option has now changed to unmute. Simply tap on unmute and your notifications will be restored immediately. It's that straightforward, you don't need to go through multiple menus or make additional selections. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to control notifications for Facebook Messenger group chats. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.